one of our brothers is our elder. He said he was supervising a project, one area in Ibadan here. And he was there till around past 11 in the night. And the man is living at Akpata. And he's going back to his house in Akpata. No more Okada, no more car. And eventually, because he meant to go back home, one man appeared in his car and said, Baba, where are you going? He said, I'm going to Akpata. He said, you cannot see car anywhere, but I will help you to Mokola. He carried him from that interior place in Ibadan to Mokola. So I said by the time they will get to Mokola, I think it was around to 1. So he was the one who got for him another car, because he said he saw one taxi. He said, where are you going? I said, Pata. I said, that one said 2,000. I said, no, I don't have 2,000. So he was the one who secured for him. So we told him, that's an angel. Because you are an heir of salvation, you must never be stranded. God is committed to that.